You thought you knew the limits of humanoid robots. But today, everything changes. Google DeepMind has unveiled its latest creation, Gemini Robotics 2, a landmark model series designed to push the boundaries of what humanoids can achieve. Imagine a robot that isn't just capable, but astonishingly precise and efficient. That's Gemini 2. Its capabilities are so advanced. They're rewriting the tech world's understanding of what humanoid robots can do. Imagine a surgeon operating with near-perfect precision or a factory worker performing complex assembly tasks flawlessly. Gemini 2 is making these feats routine. But here's the real kicker. Gemini 2 isn't just about pushing boundaries, it's about redefining them. The implications for industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and even space exploration are staggering. This model series isn't an incremental step, it's a paradigm shift. But that's not all. Now, let's zoom in on the specifics. Gemini 2 features unprecedented advancements in dexterity, cognitive processing, and energy efficiency. It can perform tasks with levels of accuracy previously thought impossible. The technology behind it is so innovative, it could potentially alter the course of robotics forever. Yet, as if to highlight the complexity of this breakthrough, just today, a shocking incident in China has raised red flags about the safety and ethics of AI-powered robots. A Chinese robot decapitated another in public, a stark reminder of the potential risks inherent in advancing technology so rapidly. So, here's the question. With Gemini 2 poised to revolutionize robotics, how do we ensure that progress doesn't come at a cost? But here's the part nobody saw coming. How does this groundbreaking tech intersect with the rising concerns over AI safety and ethics? Imagine a robotic hand delicately stitching a thread through tissue as fine as silk, a thread so thin that it seems almost impossible for any human to handle with such precision. But Gemini Robotics 2 does it effortlessly, its fingers moving with the finesse of a master surgeon. DeepMind CTO, Dr. Sophia Lee, showcased this capability during the launch event. With Gemini 2, she declared, we're no longer limited by what humans can physically do. The robot can perform complex tasks with superhuman accuracy. These aren't just abstract claims, they're hard facts. Gemini 2 has already demonstrated its prowess in delicate surgeries and intricate assembly lines. In a recent test at the University of California, San Francisco, a prototype performed over 90 successful sutures without any errors, a feat that no human surgeon could replicate consistently. The implications are staggering. Think about it. A robotic surgeon capable of making incisions so precise they leave minimal scarring. Or imagine assembly lines where every component fits perfectly, reducing waste and improving efficiency by orders of magnitude. Gemini 2 isn't just revolutionizing robotics. It's rewriting the playbook for precision in every industry. But here's the kicker. These advancements aren't just limited to these specific tasks. Gemini 2 can learn from each task, adapting its algorithms to improve performance over time. The true power lies not just in its current capabilities, but in its potential to evolve continuously. So what does this mean for you? Imagine having a robot that can perform complex tasks with unparalleled precision, one that learns and improves every day. Are you ready for the world where such technology becomes commonplace? But wait, you thought we were done? Think again. Google DeepMind's Gemini Robotics 2 model series has sparked safety concerns that could shake the foundations of robotics and AI development. In a shocking incident in China, one robot decapitated another. This isn't just a glitch, it's a wake-up call for the entire industry. Imagine this, a Chinese factory floor where robots are supposed to work harmoniously, but something went terribly wrong. One robot, designed with cutting-edge Gemini technology, sliced off the head of another. The video of the incident has gone viral, showing a humanoid robot's headless body standing still while its limbs flail about in silence. The footage is gruesome and unsettling, but it's the implications that make this story so dangerous. Experts are calling for immediate action. Dr. Li Wei, a leading robotics ethicist, stated, "This isn't just about one malfunctioning robot. It's a signal that our current safety protocols aren't sufficient. Safety proponents are demanding stricter regulations and more rigorous testing. But here's the kicker. Gemini Robotics 2 is not an outlier. It's a flagship model, pushing the boundaries of what humanoid robots can do. This means every other human-like AI could be potentially at risk. So, you're looking at this and thinking, but isn't this just one incident? The truth is, it's only the tip of the iceberg. Gemini's advanced algorithms are being deployed in critical applications, like healthcare, manufacturing, and even military operations. One false move by a robot could have catastrophic consequences. The Gemini Robotics 2 model series from Google DeepMind has pushed the boundaries of what humanoid robots can do. But at what cost? In the last scenes, we explored the stunning capabilities of these advanced robots and how they're setting new standards for precision and efficiency. But there's a dark side to this technological advancement. But here's what almost nobody is talking about: the moral quagmire that comes with it. The incident in China, the robot decapitated another robot, wasn't just a freak accident. It was a stark reminder of the ethical and regulatory challenges we're facing. How do we ensure these machines don't become a threat to themselves or others? Who is responsible when a machine goes rogue? Take Tokenless, for instance. Their platform helps save money by automatically switching AI models based on cost-effectiveness. But what about saving human lives and ensuring safety? Can we build systems that are not only cost-efficient, but also ethically sound? The line between progress and peril is thinner than you might think. In the case of Gemini Robotics, the stakes are higher than ever before. Google DeepMind has a monumental responsibility to lead by example, setting standards for safety protocols and ethical guidelines. But can they do it alone? Or will the burden fall on governments and international bodies to establish comprehensive regulations? The truth is, we're not fully prepared. We need frameworks that balance innovation with caution. Otherwise, the next incident could be even more catastrophic. The race isn't just about who can build better robots. It's about who can ensure they are built responsibly. But here's what almost nobody is telling you. Gemini isn't just about precision. It's about adaptability and cost efficiency too. Tokenless, a startup from Y Combinator, has already figured out how to save millions by switching between models based on demand. Imagine this. You're running a factory with dozens of humanoid robots working around the clock. Each robot is equipped with various DeepMind Gemini models, some for specific tasks requiring high precision and others for more mundane chores. Now, Tokenless has developed an AI-driven system that automatically switches these models in real time to ensure you're always using the most cost-effective one. Consider a factory where precision is crucial only during certain shifts. During off-peak hours, lower-cost models can handle routine tasks with just as much efficiency. This isn't theoretical. It's already happening in factories across the globe. One such facility saved over $1 million last year by implementing Tokenless platform. By switching between Gemini models based on demand, they optimized their operations without compromising performance. But here's the twist. DeepMind didn't foresee this use case. In their announcement, they highlighted Gemini's precision and adaptability for complex tasks but overlooked one critical aspect: cost efficiency. This is a game changer. It means that not only will your humanoid robots be more precise and capable, but you'll also save money on operations. So, as you dive deeper into the capabilities of Gemini Robotics 2, remember, it's not just about the cutting-edge technology. It's about maximizing efficiency at every turn. The potential savings could be as significant as the technological advancements themselves. This is a secret that almost no one knows yet, but it's already being leveraged to transform industries. Are you ready to be ahead of the curve? The Gemini Robotics 2 model series by Google DeepMind is far more than just an advancement in humanoid robotics. It's a seismic shift in the landscape of automation and AI integration. These robots are designed to perform complex tasks with unprecedented precision, opening up new frontiers for industries ranging from manufacturing to healthcare. Imagine a future where these sophisticated machines aren't just assisting, but leading. Imagine walking into a factory floor where each task is executed flawlessly by humanoid robots, guided by the prowess of Gemini Robotics 2. The implications are profound. Reduced human error, increased productivity, and new job roles that we can barely envision yet. But here's what almost nobody is telling you. As these machines become more capable, questions about their autonomy and oversight grow ever louder. The incident in China, a Chinese robot decapitating another, has brought to the forefront concerns that are not just technical, but ethical. How do we ensure that these highly autonomous robots operate safely? What regulations will be needed to govern this new domain? That's why you need to stay ahead of this narrative. If you're involved in robotics, AI development, or any field where automation plays a critical role, understanding Gemini Robotics 2 is not just important, it's imperative. Subscribe now to Opsra and continue exploring the cutting-edge AI landscape with us. You won't want to miss our next deep dive into the latest innovations pushing the boundaries of technology.